Let's now study the putting movement in greater depth, thanks to our robot and motion putting guide, the Arc-to-Arc square version. First, at address, the aim is very important. The putter face must be perfectly oriented, perpendicular to the direction line. Lines have been drawn for this purpose to help you orient the club face toward the target with a pointer on the guide's edge. The shoulders have to be perfectly aligned with the direction line. Another very important point is the putter's lie. The putter's sole needs to be laid flat to respect the putter's lie that will condition the swing arc. Depending on the putter's lie angle, the swing arc will be more or less pronounced. For example, with a more horizontal or flat putter's lie, the swing arc would be more interior and curved. Now, let's observe the address position of our robot from the putter lie. This is a 71-degree lie, a standard that permits the robot to have the eyes above the axis of the ball. Looking at the robot's posture, we notice that the back is straight, the knees are slightly bent. This is a dynamic posture that will give the player a very accurate pendulum. Another observation. The forearms are in the shaft extension, which will result in a perfect pendulum, meaning with very little wrist movement that could prevent the club path from being square at impact. Let's now observe the robot movement. It should be initiated with a little shoulder rotation at backswing and finish. The shoulders will bring the arms, hands, and the club with a slight intervention of the wrist that could change the club face. During this movement, the head is not moving as well as the bottom and back. The wrist remains steady, permitting the club face, as we can see here, to stay perfectly square during the movement. From backswing to finish, it doesn't open or close during movement. This gives the ball a perfect roll without any lateral effect that could change its path. We can see here that the ball rolls perfectly on itself without any lateral effect, as a result of a square club face at impact.